To fix PlayStation app not signing in or logging to your device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. Now let's get started. If you are trying to sign in to your PlayStation app and it is still not signed in and it's saying some kind of issue, then this is the video for you. The first reason may be that the device may not be connected to internet or any kind of data. So simply scroll from the top right hand side and see if it is connected or not. And if you are still connected to internet and data and it is still not signing, then simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to fix the common issues or bugs which are currently occurring on the app. So after that, simply open the PS app again and try to sign in. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open App Store on a device, and from here you just need to search the PS app and click on the option of search and see if there is any update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available and if you have not updated the app, then that may also be the reason that you are facing the issue of logging. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of PlayStation app not logging. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.